Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we talked about the new head of Windows and devices, Pavan Dovaluri. And we start hearing new things in the last few weeks, including 2026 is going to be a change. We're going to listen to Windows users and give them what they want. Well, now we're learning that apparently somewhere this summer, two things are going to happen with the taskbar. The first one is that the taskbar, which for however long could be moved to the sides or the top. We just, unlocked and moved it where you want it. And actually, it was also part of tech duties, because sometimes people would say, oh, I've got my, taskbar at the top or on the side, and I don't know how to put it back to the bottom. And but anyways, this is a feature that when Windows 11 came out, a lot of people said, I really want my taskbar to be on the left, right, top. This is how I use Windows. And even though the number of people that do that isn't very high, it's enough that, there was some backlash, some feedback up comments. Apparently, this summer, we're going to move the taskbar wherever we want, sides or top. But not just that, there will also be a option to make it bigger or smaller. You'll be able to change its size directly by right-clicking on it and choosing an option. So, two options that I think are going to please a lot of people. And, this is interesting because we've been talking about the different new things coming up. And now we can start seeing that, there's a lot of interesting things that are coming up that are interesting. So I think that maybe it is a Pavan Dovaluri effect. Maybe he had decided to take command and say, okay, let's sit down here, stop new features, and let's fix this thing. Let's make people happy again in Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.